Okay, hi. I will share with you this new app that you can use in your class, that is a Wooclap. What you're going to do, you're going to register. Okay, you can register using any of the accounts that you have. Okay, because it's going to have it. So this is mine. So here you have, you can create an event, or you can use it from the one that you already have on your computer, or from a coworker. Okay, so imagine that you're going to create an event, and this is very similar because it's the first time that I'm doing this. You should do it, you should watch it, because they're going to give you instructions about what and how to do it. Okay, so you can use it for different things, and you can do different activities. Okay, so here you have tasks that you want to make: an survey, work cloud, an open question, and a lot of things. Okay, so you choose. Imagine that you want to use an audio, so you have to play the link here, you have to paste it here. Imagine that this is the audio, or you can upload it from your computer. Okay, and then save. Okay, so you already have this one. Okay, then you have to add, if you want to, you can add another one that you want. Okay, so sorry, just give me go back here. So imagine that this is the video. This is an example that from another video. And if you want to, you can add different questions too. So we're going to go back here. And I'm sorry, give me just 1 second so I can go back. Okay, so this is the one that I will create. Okay, so here, then what do you want? I want a word cloud, so you can add it, and you can create a word card, and you can use different words. Okay, imagine that it is kind of task. So which was the name of the app mentioned on the video? And you can, in the video. Okay, so here you have, it was Flip-PT, it was Flipgrid, or you can add as many as you want. It was Wooclap. Okay, yeah, so of course I'm going to click on the current one. Sorry, it was to save it. Okay, so here you have like your two options. For example, you're going to share with your students the link of this activity, and they have to watch the video, and then we'll be able to see the as you can see here, you have the option that you can copy. This is similar to Mentimeter. Okay, so this is the link that you have to share. You can just copy and share with your students, so they watch first the video, and then they have to click on the option. So I'm going to share with you how the students are going to see it. Okay, so which was the name of the app that mentioned in the video? And imagine this one. So I'm going to validate the answer, and then we can see here that one student chose that one, that it was correct. Okay, so this is a really nice online tool that you can use with your students. This one I use it only synchronically. If you want to, you can do it asynchronic, but I don't know how it's going to work. So, but if you want to, you can check it out. I hope you like it, and you can use it next year. See you next time.